We've done a great job, and it's not finished yet. And when I finish, we'll be in a position like it hasn't been maybe ever.
Ou ele. So this they're gonna paint white. So the post, that's what they wanted. A lot of stuff. I have nowhere to put it. É, tá meio molhado ainda. Não, tá aqui, tem que ter uma poça aqui nessa aqui. Dá pra andar, mas pra deixar andar não.